So yeah, I see 38. So yeah, recording has been started. Yeah, okay. So let me go to one program. So yesterday there is one question, right, where we can use write to statement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the syntax. Suppose you are taking something like declaring one variable of date, right?
Yes, sir.
So here you can say datum also. Let me go inside. This is the datum, right? This is datum is data element,
Of date.
and yeah, domain is data element. If inside you will data type is dates,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And there is length is output 10. So we can use this also datum. Suppose I want same here. So let me execute this, run it. Why it is not executed? Yeah, breakpoint I have kept actually to check. Uh, 1 second, one call I'm getting.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, hello, sorry, okay. So here, if I W R I T E, write is used to print the variable
Yes,
LB
sir.
date. Why it is not printing this one? Is okay. Let me check my user ID SU01. It, yeah, it, yeah. Something wrong with the syntax only. This is the syntax write and write to. Okay, write to the source and destination and format option. This one only I have used. Check. So what are the option is available? This one only I have used. Right. So you can go here and check all the option. It is not scrolling down. Yeah. Yeah. So I can go with this. So this is the documentation. Here I see. But it should work actually, but it is not working right now here. Variable. See the output. Basically, we are using this in the LV display. There is some report, right? In that
Yes, sir.
only we are using it. It's give me control. This is DDMM. So now, suppose I will use this one. That now it is coming, but if you add 8 character, right?
Yes,
It's
sir.
not displaying. So let me declare one data type str and string. So what I will do here, I will write one and formatter must be character type, right? So you can't take string. So I
Yes,
have
sir.
to take character. So suppose I am taking 15 character. Mostly it will be 10 character. So now it is able to display.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Got it. Yes, sir.
Got it. So here you can uh, directly it will not display actually.
Oh,
when you are using write to statement, right, it will not
yes, sir.
directly display. It will just change the format. For displaying you have to use something other method, actually other method.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, 10 days, okay, and give 10 character. So now the perfect, actually.
Yes, sir.
So
Got
this
it.
is the purpose. So whenever in the program, right, suppose I want to convert the variable format, right,
Yes, sir.
then we can use the write statement. So write is used first is to change the
Yes, sir.
change the format. So for that we can use write to statement, and write simply it will display.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm giving a write statement LV underscore date one, and I will comment this. Then what will be the output? It first one is write to statement, second is okay. Right, is not closing. Yeah, this one I'm trying fast. Yeah, hello. Yeah, sorry. Hello.
Yes,
Now it
sir.
is
Now
okay.
it's clear.
Now it's
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Okay. Just tell me, okay, whenever the voice is not well, because I have now you got right.
Sir, again, your voice is breaking.
1 second. 1 second. One call is coming.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Paste. Now I have to disable actually one thing. Hello. Now okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, actually. Again login actually. Mm, okay.
Yes, sir.
So data dictionary, yeah, data types is over little bit, and also you can check F1, right? While clicking the F1, you will get list of document. In that document, you will get the demo code actually. So data type, enhancement, internal tables, structure, selection screen. Okay. So let me cover selection screen.
Yes.
What is selection screen? Selection screen, like in which user will select the input. Right,
Yes.
you will user will provide the input, not select, and also select something like checkbox, radio button. If you'll click on that, the screen will dynamically change the input fields. So today we'll check this. So selection screen. Selection screen is one of the three types of screen in the R3 system: dialog and list.
Yes, sir.
So system is like system will generate the default screen in which user will provide the input.
Input.
Okay. And
Yes, sir.
dialog screen is like we have to create our own screen, and we will place our values, right, input fields in the dialog screen, and it will display. And list is like pop-up something. So these are three types.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, same. So here I have like said simple statement allow to create input field. So you will create the input field, checkbox, there is will be checkbox, radio button, design the layout, screen layout. Okay. So there are type of program like executable program and module pool. So here are the rules actually. So for module pool, uh, we have to create our own screen. It will be not executable, like system will, by default it will not generate. But in executable program we can generate, and we can create our own screen also. But basically in executable program we are not doing that. We can use the standard screen only. So these are the input fields like parameter, select options, and selection screen, formatting the screen, uh, s- selection screen, and user specific selection screen. So here are the types. Uh, Standard, I said that standard one predefined. So if the screen number is 1000, that means it is standard screen which is allocate, which will be allocated by the SAP software only, right? And here we can define the selection screen, begin of screen and end of screen. So here is like a user defined screen. Here also same thing. You can define your screen. So parameters, so all these, right, practical only you can able to know. So these are the addition, default, type, right? Types, decimal, like, memory ID, match code, object, modify ID, no display, correct? Lowercase, obligatory, as checkbox, radio button group, for table, for node, value request, help request, visible length, value check, like. So what does it do? Default means when you execute the program, by default the value will be assigned. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And decimal, yeah, same thing, like is just something data type. One second. Yeah, hello. Yeah, so memory ID is like something stored in the memory, right? And you are taking the values from the memory. Match code object is like if you will select F4, right? So it will provide
Yes, sir.
you some list of values that you can provide in your selection screen. Suppose you don't know the input, so F4 you will select, and you will get the pop-up screen. In that pop-up screen you can select your data. Modify ID, like the modify ID is used to grouping the fields. Suppose for this radio button you want some fields, for another radio button you want different field, right? So you can
Yes, sir.
change the field based on your modify id. No display means you want there is a lower and upper, right? So no display if you'll use, then it will not display you, but it is defined. মানে data
Yes, sir.
declaration and definition of the field, it is there, but you are using no display, it will not display, but you are using that in your program. Lowercase means some text, right? You want in the lowercase only, then you can provide lowercase. Obligatory means this field is obligatory, you have to provide the input. Without providing the input you can't execute the program. As checkbox, as radio button group, I told you this one. Value request, yeah, same thing. F4 you will click and you will get the list of value request. Help request, visible length, these are all actually generally most of the, yeah. Value check is there also. Okay, no issue. Now going to, this is the select options. Okay, sign option high low. Sign mean like it will be include or exclude, correct? Option means you can use a option equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, right? Contains pattern. High means high field between and b. So high definitely we will fill sometimes only. uh, yeah, this in practical I can explain you. These are the select options. Addition, like how you can give same thing, what I have explained. No display, that this all the addition you can use in the select option. Same thing, same like no interval, no extension. In select option we can use more addition as compared to parameters,
Parameters.
because no extension, no interval, no database selection, these are the three, right, which is extra here. So block, yeah, these are the action on the selection screen. Okay, what is the action? Suppose user will put the enter, right? So something should be execute and display, like error should display, or something, or user will click some field or radio button. So something should happen, right? You are doing some action on your selection screen. Based on this action, this selection screen will display and change, right? So this is called user command. These are the events in the selection screen. Okay. So at selection screen, at selection screen output, at selection screen on field, at selection screen block. So what happened at selection screen means you can give some logic, right, in at selection screen. In output it will run in the loop. Output, suppose you have provided some value. Okay, value was wrong. At the time what happened, the screen will be, field will be go in this non display mode. Then you will put enter, then again it will go in editable mode, right? So and it will refresh the screen. That is output actually. Through that logic you have to return right there in output only, then only you can achieve. At selection screen on mean for a particular field only you can give some thing, like something means um, suppose uh, you want in selection screen, you want you will select class 5. In class 5, how many student is there, that list you want in the second field, right? So based on that previous field, it will display the list of name of person of class 5 only. It will not display class 10 student or 9 student or 10 student. Based on your selection, it will display. So that logic you can write here. Yeah, and something like F4, right? For this only you can write. And block is like, block mostly we are not using. Yeah, this three only we are using most of the time. So these are, yeah, this one on, right? On field I have said, right? For on field also there are three type: radio button, grouping, right? Or help request. That help request I said you, right? No, that was I have said value request. Value request. Help request means you want documentation what this field means. There was some documentation, suppose, right? What is credit, what is debit? For that debit credit, what is the documentation is maintained, right? You can see what is GL, what is profit center, what is cost center. There are many business terms that fill information you want to display. That documentation you can store, and you can assign, use here this logic. So this is called selection screen. Inside the selection screen, you can create the sub screen also. Like multiple sub screen, you can create sub screen. Allow to embed one screen with another at runtime using sub screen. On screen is likely up and expand the content of screen dynamically by the runtime. Suppose if you are in India, right? So there will be PAN and GST. But outside India, there will not PAN GST. There will be visa and passport, right? So based on the country, you can define your sub screen, right? In that sub screen, at the runtime, it will change, right? So like that, um, whenever you want to change the sub screen itself, right? Then you can use concept. Yeah, this is all, not that much. It is very also, it is also easy one only. So now I will go and create the sub screen. Okay, SE38. So let me go to selection, SCRAAN screen, right? 01. Create working session on selection screen. Okay, here I, whenever you will create executable program, then system by default is will it will assign selection screen. How you know? Let me show you. uh, okay. let me create. Suppose you want mm, something parameter, right? Here I can use selection screen begin of not screen begin of text text 001. Yeah. Why it is not coming? Okay. Yeah, this one actually, this is block actually. I want to create a block. And end of block B1. Okay, let me create B1 block only. Suppose here give me parameters P name type character. So suppose 20 character. Yeah, hello. So
Yes, sir.
it stays little bit slow. 1 minute. Yeah, it is disconnected. 1 second. SHU SE38. So this is the program. Yeah, you can see here P name, right? So block I have created, but it is not coming properly. Suppose I will create second block. Begin of block, begin of block B2. Here will be edge. हाँ, क्या ले जा रहा है? 1 second. Yeah, hello. Yeah, sorry. So begin of block B1, B2, and every time you have to use PT printer here. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
if you use PT printer, it will align all properly. Uh, Let me execute. Why it is not coming text? I want to show something. Text 001. Okay, no problem. Go to text element. Here, age of person, name of, just name only. So this is the text, selection skin text. So whenever there is a field, right? Previously it is showing P name. Now it will display proper name, like name of the person, age of the person, like this. If you want to skip 2 lines, right? Then skill skip and it will display you. But why it is not working here? Skip 2 lines. Uh, so 1 second. Let me check any demo classes for this. This one is simple one. Yeah, yeah, with frame actually. This one I want. Okay. Yeah, with frame, titles, text 001. Okay. Uh, and here also with frame. This is block 2 and this is text 2. Suppose in text 1, you can mention basic, detail, basic, details, right? And for text 2, you can maintain um, secondary, secondary detail. Suppose something like randomly I'm thinking and doing. So what happened? Like SAP ABAP, as I mentioned, there is English text only. Selection is screen, begin of block B1 with frame, title, text. Like all is English. Like there is no much coding thing is there. Like all the English, not like a Java and
So,
C, C++. So see here, block is created, frame is created, and it is displaying into block, right? So it looks something different, correct? For this purpose, we are using selection screen, something good design also like that. Now we have here I have total, I have created this one. This is radio button like this. Okay. So this I have used at selection screen user command at the your action, it will display. Okay. So let me go something. Where is program? Yes. See here, I have added the skip, right? Now I'm removing it. So there is no skip, but here selection screen skip to, right? So it is skipped, right? Hello?
yes, sir.
There is some gap between this
Yes, sir.
that you can achieve right now. Suppose within the block one, right? I want some, uh, let me separate this. Yeah, I want something, how can, yeah, some, suppose I will explain you 1 minute. I will explain you here. Suppose I want some one more field, and that to be in the like horizontal way, not vertical way. Okay, I will add and I will display you. Suppose if you are giving parameters, right, and declaring your variable. Yeah, so if you want to declare another variable, suppose, so again you have to write parameters. Okay, what you can take, p underscore, tell me something like city. Okay, yeah, id you can take id. Okay, id, I will take 10 digit number, and type type c. Okay, so again you have to declare the parameter. To avoid this, what you can do, yeah, first I will display. So id, right, it came here. Now I will remove one only. Now I want only, not again and again I can give the parameters. Then how you can do? Like that you can do. Okay, colon. So it will repeat, and here you have to give comma. Okay, so like that you can achieve this. In same thing. Now it is coming right. Now here you can see it is in vertical. You can say vertical, right? You want in horizontal way like this. I will show you how to do this. Yeah, one in one line, right? So here still you can give parameter. Now here you can give selection screen begin begin of line, right? So here you have to end this, right? Selection is selection is screen, end of line. Okay, and this one parameter itself you can give here. Okay, now how you can give, right? Yeah, so let me execute. So see how it is coming, right? Now you have to give selection screen, begin of comment. Comment selection screen not begin. It should only comment. Selection screen comment. Yeah. So here, 20, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. There is 28 character, right? So you can give 29, 30. Let's take 30 till 10 character. You want to give some comment. So comment will be start after 30 character, right? After 30 character, you want to comment something in your selection screen. Okay, selection screen, and what you want to comment? Text, right? What you want to comment? Text. Okay, so text we can give directly here. TXT text, text 003, and here position. Okay, position. I will give position 40. Okay, now I explain you how it's work. See here, it came here. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, text. Suppose I will give text ID, 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 simple ID. Okay, I will reduce something. 30 plus 2, 32, 35 I will take, and 40 position. So yeah, let me comment this first and run only position. What position will do? Let me comment this also. Okay, one by one I can do. So if right now if I will execute, you can see the field is starting from 0, right? 0, 0. Correct. Now you want to move this. Okay, to right side. Correct. So you can, yeah, move to right. Then you can give 40 position. So it will move. Okay, this field will move till 40. Yes. So here we also something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So 8 I will do the minus. Okay, for 32. correct? 32. Now check what is will be the position. So yeah, little bit I will give 33. So it will be so proper alignment, right? So so like that it will works. Now see in proper alignment. Now you want to display the text, right? So you want your text, correct? Comment, you can say comment on your selection screen at 35. You don't want to just I can give you 20, correct? So and this is overlapping. So uh, 30 I can give. Yeah, 30 I can give. Yeah, sorry. Let's see, 38. Yeah, get temporary version. Okay. Oh, so here text. Okay, so I give 10 and 20. Okay. Now execute. See your ID is coming right here. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So ID is coming here. So you can move. If you will give ID 0, right? Suppose you will give 0, then it will move. Comment will start. uh, Sorry. Let me give 2 only. Yeah. See here, right? Like this, it works. 0 we can't give. At 20 if we can give. Okay, in place of 0, I think so. Okay. Now see, ID is coming, right? In parallel. Okay. Now you want name and ID in same line, right? This one I'm explaining. Here you can put, right? But here it will overlap, correct?
Yes.
So overlap, let me comment this and copy this, paste here, same thing. Okay, now you can count 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah, 24, 25, right? So you can start your comment after 25, 25, and it will go to 23, suppose. And your text will be started with 25. Okay, now check what will be the output. Yeah, see, I'm very fast actually. See, 38. 25. Let 25. This will be not 3, like this. ID is in 2 character, right? Oh, sorry. This one 25, no. 25 plus 3. We can give 30. Okay. See here, ID is coming. ID equal to this, right? Now, name also you want, correct? You have given here. So name you want, same thing you have to do for name also. Like this, like this. Name will start from 0 to 5, and positioning will be start from 10. Okay, 10 plus 5, it should be not 0. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. 15 plus 2, 15, 30, 30, 35, right? 35. Let me execute this. Yes. So 35. So here you can give 40, and here you can give 45. So now, okay. Okay, here same ID is coming. Okay,